In this video, we will be learning how to compare fractions. So all we're really trying to find out is one fraction greater than another fraction? So one example we will use can be 3/8 or 1/12. So you may know which one is bigger in your head right off the bat, but we need to be able to do the work and say exactly how much bigger another one is from the other. So the first thing we have to do is we have to find the least common multiple of the denominators. So step one, find the least common multiple of the denominators. My denominators in this problem are 8 and 12. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to find the multiples of the bigger denominator, so 12. So we have 12, 24, 36, and I already know I'm done with multiples. I've written enough. So now I'll do multiples of 8. We have 8, 16, 24. Oh, and I have 24 in this list and 24 in this list. So now we're to step 2. So I know the least common multiple is 24. So I'm going to erase this stuff. So I need to change both of my denominators to 24. So first thing I'm going to do is ask, what do I have to do to 12 to make it 24? And I have to do 12 times 2 to make it 24. So I have to do the same thing to the numerator. I have to do 1 times 2, and that'll equal 2. So 2 24ths is our fraction on the right. Our fraction on the left, we have 3/8. So to make 3/8, to make the 8 a 24, I have to multiply it by 3. And I don't have space to write this, but I have to do the numerator times 3 as well. And 3 times 8 is going to be 24. And 3 times 3 is going to be 9. So we're comparing 9 24ths and 2 24ths. And we would say that 9 24ths is bigger, so 3/8 is bigger than 1/12. Okay, we'll do one more example. So I'll get rid of all of this. Okay, so the next problem, let's do 1/5 and 2/15. So we need to find the least common multiple of the denominators. So I'll start with my bigger number. We have 15, 30, 45. Those are multiples. And then we'll do the 5s. 5, 10, 15, 20. And we can see that we have a 15 here and a 15 here. So that's our least common multiple. My least common multiple is 15. So now we need to make both denominators into 15. So on the right, we have 2/15. So the denominator there is already 15. So we don't have to do anything to it. But on the right, we have to make this 5 into a 15. So 5 times 3 would be 15. And we do 1 times 3. And that equals 3. So I have 3/15 and 2/15. And 3/15 is going to be bigger than 2/15 because they have the same denominator. It's easy to see which one's bigger. So our arrow would go like that. That is 2 examples of how to compare fractions, see which one's bigger and smaller. And going through these steps is going to help next chapter because we're going to do addition and subtraction of fractions, and we'll need to find common denominators to solve those problems as well. All right, I hope this was hopeful. Hope everybody gets their homework done. All right, thanks, bye.